Okay, when you have two composite functions multiplied to each other, I can't just do the normal differentiation that we have learned previously. So in this case, we have to make use of product rule, the product of two composite functions. Alright, so what I need you to remember is to apply the rule for product rule when you do your differentiation. Differentiate the first, keep the second, plus differentiate the second, keep the first. What exactly these two steps are talking about, I'll go through with you. Okay, notice in 1a, it's already in its simplest form. So I don't have to simplify anymore, I just apply the product rule. Alright? So differentiate the first. Oh, the first bracket is 4x minus 3. When I differentiate 4x minus 3, I'll get 4 only. So that is known as differentiate the first. But I keep the second. Hey, what is the second bracket that I see? Keep the second means I just copy exactly the same. So remember, before you move on to step number 2, you need to put a plus. So I put a plus. Now let us continue with step number 2. Oh, step number 2 say differentiate the second term. What is the second term? 2x plus 7 to the power of 6. This is a composite function. So now, the second bracket is a composite function, 2x plus 7 to the power of 6. So let me do it slowly. Bring down the power. Copy the thing. Reduce the power by 1. And remember to differentiate the term in the bracket. In this case, it's the 2x plus 7. When we differentiate 2x plus 7, we'll get the number 2. Is this good enough? No. We must keep the first. What is the first bracket? 4x minus 3. So let me write down 4x minus 3. Alright, we have done the 2 steps for product rule. But not yet. We have to do something. So remember, the F word is important last year. F for factorize. There is a common term over here. And remember, when you take out common term, you take out the one with the smaller power. Okay, not so fast. There is a common number 4 here. Okay, there's a 2 here, there's a 2 here. So I can take out the common number 4. There are no more other common terms. So the rest of the terms that I did not take out, I need to put it all inside the square bracket. So whatever terms we did not take out, remember to put it in the square bracket. The 4 is done. 2x plus 7 for the first term is left with 2x plus 7, but with a power 1. You don't want to write bracket power 1 is fine. Likewise for the second term, the numbers taken out is 4, but 6 times 2 is 12. If I take out 4, it's left with a 3. There's no more term for 2x plus 7, but we have a 4x minus 3. After that, very simple. The square bracket, simplify the terms in the square bracket. So even though you have simplified the answer, nothing wrong with it, but you realize 14x minus 2, you can factorize a 2 again. Alright, so if you adopt the product rule, take note, other than the 2 step, you must factorize it and then simplify your final solution.